Right now, it's Native American Heritage Month, and over the course of the pandemic, we've learned how COVID-19 exposed social inequalities from healthcare to the economy for different ethnic groups, including Native Americans. Well, now a new report hopes to seek solutions on how tribal communities can build up an economic resiliency. The North Carolina Commission of Indian Affairs recognizes 8 tribes. South Carolina has 1, all of which are referenced in a new report from Wells Fargo. The report presenting an opportunity for tribal communities to evolve to ensure a more secure economic future in case of another external adversity. An analysis shows one of the challenges in knowing how to move ahead was due to a lack of data.
There isn't anything that talks about how tribal governments and the businesses they own are structured.
Dawson Her Many Horses heads up the Native American Finance Department for Wells Fargo Commercial Banking. He says that lack of data has an impact on tribes' ability to find investments for future projects on their lands.
In mainstream America, I think it's the entrepreneur, it's small businesses, right? Those are the things that drive economic opportunity in mainstream America. But in Native America, it's tribal governments and the businesses they own that drive most economic opportunity.
Meaning, a tribal government and the businesses they own, like the Catawba Nation's Two Kings Casino in Kings Mountain, are its biggest sources of revenue. So having to shut down those businesses during COVID would affect a tribe's ability to fund government programs like healthcare and housing. Her Many Horses says the report offers tribal leaders a framework to think about other development opportunities, and it asks policymakers to think about economic data and the private sector for an open mind.
I think it's just important to remember that Native Americans, tribal communities, Alaska Natives, we're still here, right? We're still alive, our communities are vibrant.
Tribal leaders, federal officials, and private sector representatives are planning to meet later this month in Washington. It's to see what they can do to build on their current situation so Native Americans can thrive in case of another economic downturn. To read that full report, you can visit our website, WCNC.com.